Prince William and Kate arrived in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. The Duke and the Duchess of Sussex, Prince William and his wife Kate, arrived in Jamaica at 2:18 Wednesday afternoon for their official visit on the behalf of the Queen on the occasion of the Platinum Jubilee. The couple arrived on the United Kingdom Royal Air Force flight with the pilot flying Jamaica and the England flag from the cockpit window. Prince William and Kate were greeted by Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Kamina Johnson-Simmet, and Chief Justice of Jamaica Defence Force, Antoinette Gorman. The Duchess in a yellow dress was escorted away as William inspected the JDF formation. The couple's visit coincided with the year Jamaica is set to mark 60 years since its gained independence from Britain, although the Queen remains a head of state with the Governor-General as her representative. During their stay, Prince William and Kate are expected to visit several sites across the corporate area. They are also expected to make stop at the office of the Prime Minister and King's House. This has been Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.